This is lunar. We're outside on my balcony this Friday because they're testing. Oh, now you can hear it. They're testing the fire alarms here. Make sure everything works, just in case. Shanti doesn't understand, but she really hates it. And look, it's raining. But I'm real lucky because guess what? It's about 75. So, not bad. There's the... Wow, you can hardly see the medical center. There it is, though. Boy, it's noisy today, but, you know, it's Friday. And rainy. Oh, let's go back this way and see Shanti again. What you doing, baby? What you doing? Did you decide to get down, honey? Is that what you decided? Are you looking for the treats that I brought out here? Hey, Shanti, what you doing?